Hello everyone, my name is Tanush from DAV Thermal and today I am going to be showing you how to find the surface area of a right circular cylinder. Now let us see what is a right circular cylinder. As shown in the figure, if height is perpendicular to the base, then it is called a right circular cylinder. Now let us see how to make a right circular cylinder. Take a rectangular paper and roll it to form a cylinder. Now let us see how to find the formula of curved surface area of a right circular cylinder. If we look here, we can see that the area of this rectangle would be equal to the CSA of the cylinder. As we can see, the length of the rectangle will be equal to the circumference of the circle, which is 2 pi r, and the breadth of the rectangle would be equal to the height of the cylinder. We all know that the area of the rectangle is L into B, which is length into breadth. Putting the values of the cylinder in the formula of rectangle, so we will get 2 pi r into h, that is 2 pi rh. So from here we have got the formula of the curved surface area of the right circular cylinder, which is 2 pi rh. Now let us see the formula of total surface area of a right circular cylinder. If we close the open ends of the cylinder with two circles of equal area, we would get the total surface area of that cylinder. We all know that the area of this circle is pi r square. So the total surface area of the cylinder would be curved surface area of the cylinder plus area of two circles, that would be 2 pi rh plus pi r square plus pi r square, that would be 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. Taking 2 pi r as common, we would get 2 pi r into h plus r. So the total surface area would be 2 pi r into h plus r. Now let us discuss some real life problems based on this topic so that we can understand this topic more clearly. Here is the first question. A road roller has a diameter of 84 cm and a length of 120 cm. Find out the curved surface area of the road roller. So here let us see what we have given. We have got diameter, which is 84 cm. We have to convert it into radius. We have to find the radius, that would be 84 by 2, that is 42 cm, and the height is 120 cm. We all know that the curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi rh, that would be 2 into 22 by 7 into 42 into 120, that would be 31,680 cm square. So the CSA of the road roller would be 31,680 cm square. Now let's see another question. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and diameter 140 cm from a metal sheet. How much sheet would be required for the same? So here you can see the diameter is 140 cm, so the radius would be 140 by 2, which is 70 cm, and the height is 1 meter, that would be equal to 100 cm. We all know that the total surface area is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r, that would be 2 into 22 by 7 into 70 into 100 plus 70. By simplifying it, we would get the answer 74,800 cm square. So 74,800 cm of sheet is required to make the tank. Let us see the next question. The inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meters. It is 10 meters deep. Find its cost of plastering its inner curved surface area at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. So in this question we have got two parts. First of all, we will find the curved surface area of the well. Then we will find its final cost. So let us see what we have got. We have got 3.5 meter as diameter. So we can find the radius, which is 3.5 by 2. That would be equal to 1.75 meters. And height is 10 meters. We know that the curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi rh. Putting the values, we would get 2 into 22 by 7 into 1.75 into 10. That would give us 110 meters square. Now let us find the cost. So the cost of plastering 1 meter square is rupees 40. So the cost of plastering 110 meters square would be 110 into 40, that would be equals to 4,400 rupees. So the cost of plastering would be rupees 4,400. So from here the video ends. Hope you have enjoyed this video and you have learned something really new.